Hey guys, this is Rip Fletching. I'm going to be shooting an assortment of arrows through my new Blackswan. This is the new 52-inch Blackswan. Go back just a little ways. And this is in a very small, it's a tunneled, it's a 10-foot wide, 8-foot tall. It's not even that like there, it's probably 7 foot, 8 foot, something like that, tall room. Very shotgun shaped. It's very echoey, which you can hear. So I'll shoot a few, let you hear what this bow sounds like. These are different spines and fletching types and different weight tips, so I'm trying this bow out, see what I like on it. I'm going to shoot a bare shaft. This is going to show knock high, and it is a little knock high. I'm going to put a different pad on there so it's okay. Spread these out a little bit more, I guess. This Blackswan is a speed demon. I mean, it's phenomenal. It's awesome. This new carbon is just like a rocket ship. Alright guys, that was an assortment of arrows shot through the new Blackswan. Hope you enjoyed that. Not the best group in the world, but you know, different top arrows and spines and weights. So, and even some of those are solid core shafts, so you know there's quite a bit of difference in them. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that.